Yep, better get moving because we're almost to the end of the stream. We're going to do the giveaway. Okay, this is the Nissar wireless doorbell kit right here. So you get 2 receivers and then also the 1 doorbell right here. So let's go ahead and take a look exactly what we're going to get inside here for this. So let's go ahead and open this up here. So you can get it for the UK, the EU, or the US. I have the US version, so that way I have the AC plugs with it. So we'll go ahead and take a look. So because you can go ahead and plug these in, but you don't lose an outlet, which I think is a fabulous idea right here. So you can continue to have that. So it takes 1 AC outlet and you get it back right there. Same thing with this one here. So you get 2 total with it. Now it does come with the screws to go ahead and screw it in to your wall. You could probably even put like a little sticker on it too as well. It comes with a plate as well with it. So you can go and screw them in and then put the plate on it, I guess. But here it is. So this right here is it. Let me see. And all you do is just click on the button right here and it activates it. So let's go ahead and plug this in here real quick. Okay. So here it is. So I have one of the receivers plugged in over by my computer over there. So this right here doesn't need anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and push a button right here. That has a really nice large kind of chime, but it has different options in here. So you can go ahead and reduce the amount of volume. You can go ahead and go through different chimes. There's 38 different chimes depending on what you want with it. You can increase the volume, you can decrease the volume, but this here you get 2, so you can actually have like 1 upstairs, 1 downstairs, so everyone knows when someone is at the door with it. So really nice wireless. This has 1,000 feet range with it, 38 chimes, 5 volumes level, and I hope you enjoy it as well.